Hey everyone! Ever wanted to block visitors from certain countries without using IP or complicated server code? Today, I'm going to show you how to block users based on their time zone using only JavaScript. It's simple, clean, and works perfectly, even on Blogger or static HTML websites. Let's jump right in. This returns the visitor's time zone, like Asia, Kolkata, or Asia, Jakarta. Simple, right? Now let's create a simple HTML block message. This will only be shown to users from the blocked time zones. We'll keep it hidden by default and show it only when needed. Here comes the JavaScript. We'll detect the time zone and show the block message if the user is in a restricted area. You can add or remove time zones from the blocked time zones list based on your need. If you're unsure what time zone a country uses, you can look it up online or use this quick reference. And that's it. You've now got a lightweight, easy-to-use method to block visitors based on their time zone using only JavaScript. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web tips and tricks.